Part 3. Clamping the deck together and drilling the holes. Drilling holes in replacement decks. All decks come cut to size, but you will need to drill the mounting holes yourself. 1. Align the decks. Clamp the new deck together with the old deck to ensure they are perfectly aligned. 2. Drill the holes. Use the existing holes in the old deck as a guide and drill through the new deck. This ensures that the holes in the new deck match the original deck precisely. Part 4. Putting the deck back on the machine. Reinstalling the treadmill deck. Installing the replacement deck. 1. Check all holes. Verify that all necessary holes have been drilled. Support guides or cushioning brackets may need to be installed either before or after placing the deck, depending on your treadmill model. 2. Align the deck. Position the deck on the treadmill by sliding it under the mat, or installing both at the same time if you took off the belt, making sure all holes line up exactly as they did on the original deck. 3. Secure the deck. Fasten the deck back onto the treadmill using the appropriate screws or bolts. Ensure everything is tight and even. 4. Check deck and belt alignment. Reassembly, alignment, and belt setup. 1. Reinstall front motor cover, side rails, and rear end caps. Position all parts and secure with the screws removed earlier. 2. Align the belt. Adjust tension and tracking so the belt runs straight and smooth. 3. Test movement. Manually rotate the belt or run the treadmill at low speed to verify the belt tracks properly and the deck remains stable.